How to turn off reduce 3D photo motion on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off reduce 3D photo motion on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these lines here, and now go down and click settings and privacy, and then click settings, and now go down until you find the media and click on it, and then go down and you will find here reduce 3D photo motion. Just click on it, and as you see, reduce 3D photo motion has been turned off. And that's how to turn off reduce 3D photo motion on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.